Cumberland HDRC are a relatively new team within the council, so we wanted to establish ourselves. We worked with local creatives, local organisations and local charities to foster authentic connections with the people of Cumberland. I found the sessions to be a rollercoaster of emotions. You're bringing together a group of strangers and creating these puppets and asking them to talk about what health and well-being means to them, and it's such an emotive topic. There was lots shared, funny stories, sad stories, but that was the beauty of the Art of Wellbeing. It brought people together. The local people of Cumberland are really resilient. It's a vast geography, but it doesn't stop people coming together. The Cumberland HDRC's next steps are, we've just finished the recruitment for our community co-researchers, so we have 16 local people from all different areas of Cumberland who are going to be supporting us with conducting community research.
I'm Anna Kessler, I'm the creative producer at Rosehill. When I got wind that there was an opportunity to lead a project that would bring well-being and community through creativity, I absolutely jumped at the chance to put in our pitch for it, because that is exactly what we do day to day and it is what we're passionate about. Well-being and creativity underpin our entire theory of change, and our whole strategy is based on connection with people in communities, so it felt like an absolutely perfect project to get involved with. The sessions, they were really interesting. We found that some of them were super well attended. We had 20+ people and there was lots of banter. Some of them were more intimate and it was just a couple of people, and you found you could really dig deep into the conversations in those ones. But what stayed the same was the delight that is Stefan, and him working with all the people to create this mad array of puppets. What we learned about communities is that in places where you have these people who have been for so long excluded from the cultural mainstream, that it's really difficult to get them to participate, really difficult to get them to engage with culture, and even to get them to slightly buy into it. There's a real mistrust of creativity. And I think the answer is we've got to keep going into these communities and we've got to keep trying things, and we've got to show that we're there, show that we're present, keep showing up, even if it's literally just sending someone in with an easel, painting in the street to spark that kind of curiosity. And what did I learn about the HDRC? I learned that they are a bunch of brilliant people trying to make the world and Cumberland a better place through innovative methods, and I hope that off the back of this project they continue to share the love and spread the value of culture, creativity in building well-being and connectivity in communities.
Hello, I'm Stefan Escreet. I'm Artistic Director of Ragged Edge Productions, and I've been running these workshops for the Art of Wellbeing. I was really interested in having a go at the Art of Wellbeing project because I do a lot of creative activity with community groups already, but this was a chance to put that to really good purpose, to have a good time with people in a social setting and use that as a platform to find out what they were thinking about health and well-being where they live, and to use that as really valuable research to change things. Running these sessions taught us a lot about the communities around Cumberland. They're very distinct, they're very particular to the places that we visited. The culture there is very distinct to the place we're in, but they had a lot in common with other places around the county. There were similar issues that they were facing. There's a lot of isolation around the county. There's a lot of transport challenges. There's loads of things that people said that they faced in life that we found in lots of different places around the county, and lots of things that they celebrated about living here as well. So we learned that about the communities we work with. And as far as the HDRC goes, what is the HDRC? It's a new thing. It's an absolutely new thing. And I think they're doing really good work at reaching out and making contact with people in the community at a very grassroots level, instead of staying behind their desks and conducting their research from there. The sessions that we ran for the Art of Wellbeing project went really well. I think anyone who attended would agree with that. They were enjoyable, that was the intention, and they gave people an opportunity to meet new people, make new friends, or come with people they already knew and be comfortable with that. They also gave people a chance to think about acts of kindness, what they'd done for other people and what people had done for them, and also to try something new. That's the whole point of the creative practice that we were trying. And when you try something new, that can feel really good.